Hello friends, myself Professor A. S. Mochi, Department of Agriculture and Entomology, Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasi. Today we are going to discuss about the sensory and sound producing organ present in case of insect. These sensory and sound producing organ which are distributed all over the body of the insect and that responds to various stimuli, and the stimuli may be light, sound, touch, chemicals or any other. Which are the different types of sense and sound producing organ present in case of insect? These are the different five types of sense and sound producing organ. In that, the first one is photoreceptor. It's nothing but the visual organs that detect the light energy. Second one is audio receptor, nothing but the organs of hearing that detect the sound waves. Third one is chemoreceptor, which responds to chemicals that detect the smell and taste. Next one is mechanoreceptor, also called as tactile receptors, which responds to touch and that detect the mechanical forces. And last one is a thermoreceptor that detect the heat energy. Let us see one by one. The first one is visual organs, also called as photoreceptor. These are the different two types found in case of insect. The first one is compound eyes and second one is simple eyes. What is compound eyes? These organs possess the ability to perceive the light energy and able to produce a nerve impulses. The compound eyes may be completely absent in insect like a Protura, or they may remain reduced in the endoparasitic Hymenoptera. These compound eyes are present on either side of the head capsule of the adult insect and also in the nymphs of the Exopterygota. It means that these compound eyes are totally absent in case of larval stage. Okay, these are pair and consist of number of individual units. Means these are paired in structure and consist of a number of individual units, that units called as a ommatidia. And the function of the ommatidia is that to gather the light. These compound eyes again classified on the basis of the image formation in two types. The first one is opposition eyes and second one is a superposition eyes. These opposition eyes are active during in a day condition. Hence, this opposition eyes present in case of diurnal insect only. For example, butterfly. Next one is a superposition eyes. That superposition eyes are active during only in a evening and night condition. And these superposition eyes present in case of nocturnal insect, it present in case of moth. Means opposition and superposition eyes, it is based on the image formation. It means that the moth, it is not active during in a day condition, and due to why? Because there is a no opposition eyes, and the butterfly do not act during in a night condition. Why? Because there is no superposition eyes. The next one is a simple eyes, also called as ocelli. These are the two types. The first one is the dorsal ocelli and second one is the lateral ocelli. The dorsal ocelli, it means that, or it is seen in case of nymphs and adult of the hemimetabolous insect and adult of the holometabolous insect. Hemimetabolous means incomplete metamorphosis and holometabolous means complete metamorphosis. Means the insect have a incomplete metamorphosis. In the nymphs and adult of the incomplete metamorphosis insect have a dorsal ocelli, and in case of adult of the holometabolous insect have a dorsal ocelli. The dorsal ocelli are represented by the fenestrae in case of cockroach. Means in case of cockroach, dorsal ocelli called as a fenestrae, and the function of the dorsal ocelli is that it perceives the light energy to maintain the diurnal rhythm. Means the cockroach can see in both condition, day as well as in a night condition, due to the this dorsal ocelli or fenestrae. Next one is a lateral ocelli. This lateral ocelli is also known as stigmata, and these are present on lateral side of the head of the endopterygote larva. And the function of the lateral ocelli is that it helps to detect the form, color and movement. Means to detect the formation of the color, or to detection of the form, color and movement of the object with the help of this only lateral ocelli. This is the cross section of the simple ocelli or ocellus, and here at right side this is the cross section of the compound eyes. You can see the compound eyes, it is distributed, or the compound eye, it is distributed into small individual units, that units called as the ommatidia, for to gather the light. Okay, next this is nothing but the you can see this in case in a photo. There is a two lateral compound eyes, and in between these two compound eyes there is a three dorsal ocelli. Means it means that in insect there are the 5 eyes. First, 2 compound eyes and 3 dorsal ocelli. Next is the auditory organs or organs of hearing. This is the second and most important sensory and sound producing organ present in case of insect. Insects are provided with the structures or organs that are able to perceive the sounds or the aquatic water currents. Among the organs of the hearing, the auditory ears, tympanal organs, and Johnson organ are the important 3 different auditory organs. It means that the insect have a 3 different auditory organs. The first one is auditory ears, second one is tympanal organ, and third one is Johnson organ. Also, the pilifer is also one of the next auditory organs present in case of Lepidopteran insect. Means the insect have a 4 different auditory organs. In that, the first one is a auditory ears. These are the present on the body of the insects such as the larvae of the Lepidoptera, which are developed from the modified epidermal cells. These are response to the sound or air and water current mediated by the hair, sensilla or trichord. Means this is nothing but the hair or hair-like structure that present all over the body of the larva of the Lepidoptera is nothing but the modification of the epidermal cells, and that cells it is response to the various sounds and water currents mediated by their hair sensilla. Next one is a tympanal organ. Tympanum is present one on either side of the first abdominal segment of shorthorn grasshopper, and also present on the base of 4 tibia in a longhorn grasshopper and crickets, and thorax and abdomen in case of Lepidoptera insect or Lepidopteran insect. We can see one by one. In case of shorthorn grasshopper, this tympanum organ it is present on the 4 tibia. Present on the first segment of the abdomen. Here, in case of longhorn grasshopper, this tympanum organ present on the 4 tibia. The tibia is nothing but the part of the insect legs. This is the cricket. The cricket also have a tympanum organ present on the 4 tibia of the insect legs. This is the moth. The moth have a on the abdominal region. The moth have a tympanal organ. Next is a Johnson organ. The Johnson organ is present on the second segment of the insect antenna. The second segment is also called as a pedicel. Means this Johnson organ present on the antenna. Next one is pilifer. This pilifer is nothing but the unique auditory organ present or which responds or sensitive to the ultrasonic frequency and is found in the head of the pilifer. We can say that the hawk moth or sphinxid moth. Sphinxid is the family of the Lepidoptera order, and the sphinxidae have a different moth. And the moth is called as sphinx moth or sphinxid moth, and the moth in the head of that moth there is a pilifer, and pilifer is nothing but the one of the, we can say that the auditory organ. Next one is a mechanoreceptor. That mechanoreceptor detect the mechanical forces, and the mechanoreceptor have a 3 different types. The first one is a trichoid sensilla, second one is campaniform sensilla, and third one is a chorodontal sensilla are the 3 different mechanoreceptor organ present in case of insect. Let us see one by one. The first one is a trichoid sensilla. This is nothing but the hair-like sense organ. Sense cells associated with the spurs and the stida. The spurs and the stida is nothing but the outgrowth of the insect cuticle or insect body wall. These cells are sensitive to the touch and located in the insect antenna and the mouth parts. Means this trichoid sensilla present in the insect antenna and their mouth part of the insect. This is nothing but the trichoid sensilla, and the trichoid sensilla it responds to the touch. Next one is a campaniform sensilla or dome sensilla. This campaniform sensilla it is sensitive to the pressure, or which responds to the pressure. On this campaniform or dome sensilla present or located in the leg joints and wing bases of the insect. Then next one is the chorodontal organ that responds to the receive the vibration. Okay, this is the chorodontal organ. Next one is the mechanoreceptor. What is mechanoreceptor? That mechanoreceptor is nothing but the one of the sense and sound producing organ present in case of insect that detect the smell and taste. They contain a 2 sensilla. The first one is the viniporous, have a 1 pore, and second one is the multiporous, have a more pores. Viniporous chemoreceptor mostly detect the chemicals of solid and liquid form by contact, called as a gustatory receptor, and these viniporous receptor also called as a gustatory receptor located in the insect antenna. Second one is multiporous receptors or chemoreceptors that detect the chemicals in a vapor form at a distance by smell, called olfactory receptor, and this olfactory receptor or multiporous receptor located in the insect mouth and tarsi. This is the chemoreceptor. And the last one is a thermoreceptor. That thermoreceptor detect the heat. Thermoreceptor detect the heat energy and present in a poikilothermic insect and sensitive to the temperature. And these thermoreceptor present in case of a, we can say that the present in a bed bug. These are the different sense and sound producing organ present in case of insect that responds to the various stimuli, and that stimuli may be, which may be in the form of sound, touch, vibration, smell, taste, or any weather factor. And this is the all about the different sense and sound producing organ present in case of insect. Thank you.